It's day 37 of my cleaning journey to start a nonprofit. Let me show you what that is and how we got there. Anglers, you should be embarrassed. Golfers, you should be embarrassed. Litterers like balls. I had to drive over to the lake. It wasn't going to be a party because I had to save the fishies. So I took this grenade and threw it on the dirty spot, and boom, it made it clean. We were going to the green light district, not the red light district, rated PG. Had to take this bag out of the lake, and litterers smell bad. Am I a pretty girl? Because I found this life jacket. It fits perfectly. Oh my God. That spot's dirty. Now it's clean. I hope you have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.